So this is the optical microscope, not like other microscope. This is a completely advanced microscope. Okay. So you can see this need to be connected to the current, and there's a switch here. You can turn on it. Right? Then you can see the light is here. And if you think about parts, you know what are these things? These are eyepieces. Yeah, it is called as eyepiece. Lenses, those are lenses, but this is called as eyepiece. And these are object piece, the object lenses. And this is our arm. This is the arm, and this is the base. And these are knobs for just for adjustment. And these knobs are for adjustment of our state, which is this. Okay. So today we'll see this paramecium. Just try to identify this paramecium. You are given slides here. I'll give you these slides. Just try to identify this part, right? Cilias and their cell mouth.
Okay,
And that's the nucleus. See, yeah, here. These two.
Yeah.
Micronucleus and macronucleus. Just try to identify those things, okay?
Okay.
Okay. We'll place this on.